Guys, PRP or platelet-rich plasma is considered a very effective technique to repair many things, including hair loss, joints. The first step to getting PRP is doing a blood draw. So once we do the blood draw, now we have our blood, which we will spin down in a centrifuge, and we're going to separate the red blood cells from the platelet-rich plasma. And so platelet-rich plasma is full of nutrients as well as various proteins that help the healing process and in regeneration of damaged tissue or tissue that needs healing. Here we're getting the PRP out of the tube. They call this liquid gold because of its properties. And here we're injecting back into the scalp for the fact that it has really good properties to restore hair. So it's considered a very effective treatment for hair restoration and rejuvenating hair. This is a very simple, quick process. As you can see, it's done in a matter of minutes. Home run.